tomorrow we're going to top that again right around 82 or so. And we do have a threat for some scattered thunderstorms, nothing severe, and they will likely occur after about 8 o'clock tomorrow night when a cold front comes our way. And that shows up here on the map. You see that cold front out to the west with showers and even some thunderstorms now slowly creeping here to the east. We're going to squeeze in a nice day tomorrow, and then the clouds and rain will visit us late tomorrow night. Let's put the hour-by-hour forecast in motion. This is the wide view now, so you can see all the way over to St. Louis.
You need a little help.
We get into Saturday morning and afternoon, we're cleared out.
There you go.
It's a little fast, isn't it? But the point here is that rain will come and go very quickly. I think it's going to come around again here. You can see it just dropping across the tri-state during the day, during the evening on Friday. Tomorrow we'll have another wonderful day out there. Sunny skies to start. 81 degrees for your high in Albion with that threat for rain in the evening. And in Princeton, we'll see a high of 82 tomorrow there on the town square with mostly sunny skies. And we haven't been to Tell City in a long time. 82 degrees there. They're getting all geared up for the Schweitzer Fest coming up here very soon. I think next weekend, actually.